Hi guys, it's Shell and Clint.
Hey guys.
We are making homemade Spam and we're so excited about this. So what we've done so far is we took about a 6-pound pork butt, I think, and about 2 pounds of ham. And we chose 2 pounds of ham shank. So Clint's going to go ahead and grind it, but he cubed this up and we had it in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes so it goes through the grinder easier. And he's gonna take it into the KitchenAid and he's gonna grind that, and he's gonna run it through twice, one at a coarse grind and then one at a fine grind, and then we will be back and I'll show you how we make our homemade canned Spam. Okay, and now I'm going to make my slurry, which is 3 tablespoons of Morton Tender Quick. Let me show you what that looks like. So that's to like cure meats at home. So, and 1 cup of water, cold water. So I'm going to put that in there. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons, that was 3 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And that is our slurry mixture. And we don't really have a big enough pan or bowl to mix this all up in. So what we're going to do is, I have my roasting pan. I'm going to put this in the bottom of the roasting pan, and then Clint will come over and mix it all in. His hands, he can't feel his hands now anyway, so.
Yeah, they're nice and numb.
They're nice and numb. But man, we got a lot of mixture. Okay, hon, you ready?
Yeah, I mean.
Okay, so let me move you guys over here. Okay, and so I'm gonna put this in this pan.
Put it in there first.
I don't know if you do or not, but that's what they did, so that's what we're doing. And then Clint's gonna put in his finely ground
We
pork
got
and ham.
pork. Was it shoulder? Pork? Yeah.
I don't know.
Pork shoulder, whatever. I think that's
whatever,
it.
I don't know.
And then the other is ham shank. Whole ham shank, not like
I would
a
just
little.
dump it in.
Well,
Oh, okay.
it's gonna splatter everywhere.
Says the man who splatters everywhere.
That's what I'm saying.
So therefore you know, huh?
And I did, when I ground it, I did mix
The ham.
the ham and, alternated. I didn't just do one and then the other. So that way it was at least somewhat mixed up. Whoops-a daisy. Okay. Oh, what a mess. But we're having fun, and that's all that matters. Fun. So.
Yeah, that's what they did. Then they just mixed it and mixed it and mixed it. And then when it's well mixed, we'll put it in some pint jars. And we're doing pints because we really feel like 1 pint jar is more than enough for a meal.
Yeah, and I mean,
and we don't want leftovers.
Well, and it's just Shell and I, Mom, or just Shell and I, so there's no sense in having a huge.
I agree, 100%.
Man, that's cold.
Is it cold?
Yeah,
because they said to put it in cold water.
Because we had to. They suggested you put the pork in the freezer.
Oh yeah, so it's easier to grind.
Easier to grind, and so yeah, so it was in the freezer. They're getting there now.
So yeah, this recipe, I will put where I got the original recipe from in a link below.
The lady.
Yeah, to that
She's
lady
really
that we
nice.
got.
I like watching
I actually
her.
saw her on, and she's the one that gave us this idea. We saw her on
YouTube.
TikTok
Oh, TikTok. Okay.
when I used to watch it, and I don't watch it anymore because it was a time sucker. That looks like it's pretty good.
It is, yeah, because there's no.
Got the center really well.
Oh, yeah, I've got the center.
He's like, hush up, woman. Okay, and then Clint's gonna dunk it in there. It says about an inch to the top. Okay. And the lady, smaller, please,
Okay.
because it's not gonna cover. She actually piped it into these jars.
The gal in Alaska?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
She said she found that was the easiest way, but I don't want to mess with that. Okay. That's probably enough for this one. Or we'll see.
Smells good.
Does it smell good? Cool.
Smells really good, actually.
Smell like raw meat. So we have that. I'm going to move this to another jar here. And then while that is
Being filled.
going to use a glass jar, and we're going to
Yeah, get vinegar too.
pipe this down, press it down. I'm going to press it pretty well, within an inch. So actually, there's too much in here. I feel like. I don't know what we're going to do if we get too much.
Get another pint jar. Yeah. Oh, but you can stack them.
Oh, you can?
I think so.
you have to have a rack or
Oh.
something in order to stack them.
Then we'll just form it and eat it.
Might not need this thing, actually. Yeah, we'll form it and like cook it or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
It'll be fine. Let me
Like
see.
a loaf almost.
So yeah, we're going to fill all these jars and we'll be right back. Okay, so she used a wooden spoon to put a hole right in the center. We don't have wooden spoons. I don't know why. So I am going to use this spatula. Just put a hole. She said she feels like it gives it more room, and as it kind of shrinks and stuff, the hole will just pretty much disappear. So I'm going to do that to each one of them. And then we're going to wipe each of the rims really well with white vinegar. And you're also going to put a little bit of white vinegar in your water, your pressure, just a splash. And then, yeah, we're going to wipe these and we'll put the lids on them, and then we're going to process these. Okay, so we are going to process these at 15-pound pressure for 75 minutes. So I can't wait. Clint is like already,
It smells so good.
yeah, he's like amazed at how good it smells and all
And if
that.
you don't like Spam, I mean, think about it. This is ham and pork. You
That's all
know
it is.
exactly what's in it. There's nothing.
There's some salt, there's that Tender Quick, which
And
is a
that's
meat
it.
cure, and
That's it.
that's it. You can add different seasonings if you want, but we just like the plain classic
Yeah,
Spam.
I mean, so it's not like the pork or Spam you buy in the store. So
Well, yeah, there's no preservatives or anything like that, which is
Just,
really cool. I am going to just kind of go around the edges on the inside. Hope I don't undo all of Clint's hard work.
yeah.
Just to kind of clean it up a little bit. The jars. And make sure that my lids are, you know, well sealed.
We're gonna put that over there.
Yeah, we can.
You want me to start the water?
Yeah. No, not yet. Because it's cold.
Oh.
This is a cold pack. So with a cold pack, you don't want to start your pressure cooker. You don't want to heat it up until you get your jars in there, because it could burn. And you don't want that. Not burn, but break.
Yeah, don't want that.
Okay, and then we're going to put our lids on and our rings and get them in the pressure cooker. Okay, so we were able to fit 2, 4, 6, 8 pints in here, and we're going to go ahead and seal the lid. We're going to let the steam, you want it to come to a full steam out of the spout thing for a solid 10 minutes, and then you set your timer for 10 minutes, and then when that's done, you put your weight on this one, and then we'll raise the pressure up to 15, and then we'll time it for 75 minutes. So I think that was right. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so we opened a can. It smells so good, just like Spam, if you like Spam. So Clint's going to chop it up. We'll slice it up, and we're gonna fry it on the stove for dinner. We'll be right back. This is just the next day, so, which, you know, they said let it set like 24 hours. I don't know that it.
No comments. Gwendolyn.
Oh. Oh, about your knife. Your knife skills.
Man. Boy, it don't
Doesn't cut the same.
cut as easy as Spam does.
Sorry, I know it's hard. Okay, so he put in some bacon grease, because we always have that. And he's going to start putting the Spam in there. Spam, the name is only derived from spiced ham.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's, if you look at it that way, it's not near as...
I can understand
some
why
people don't like it, yeah.
it. But I also, I mean, this is so different because you don't have all the questions what was in it, you know?
Yeah, you don't have the nitrates to, you know, like Clint was saying, you don't have the preservatives, the nitrates and stuff. And you know what? The price of Spam is, what, $4 a can? And we made 10 cans and probably less than 20 bucks, you know.
If
so
that, I don't even
if
think
that,
there's
so
much.
probably, you know, less than $2 a can. So, well, the one was $20, the one pork.
But we didn't use all
And then
of
we
it
didn't
either.
use all, we used all the pork. We didn't use all of the
ham. Because
So yeah, so about,
I ground the other part with,
but I mean, yeah, about $2 a can. And you know exactly what's going in it. The thing that we had a hard time finding was the Tender Quick. And I got 2 huge bags. That bag I showed you guys. 2 of them, because you can't get them just one. And I probably have enough to last me the rest of my life.
Oh,
because
yeah.
you only use like 3 tablespoons per batch. So, yeah.
and what was the ratio, do you remember?
Of ham.
Yeah, the pork to ham.
Pork was about 6 pounds of pork to 2 pounds of ham is what we used.
Yeah.
And we did measure out the ham and everything. So, yeah.
I mean,
So.
think about it, that's not bad.
It isn't bad, and then, you know, you're just getting a quality food, I believe. So, yeah. So he flipped them. I'm so excited. The one lady that I got the idea from, she makes a breakfast sandwich with homemade biscuits and ham or spam and then eggs. And oh my gosh, it looks so good. We're definitely going to try that. Mom's doing a taste test.
Ooh.
She likes it.
Yeah.
What does it taste like in reference to spam?
Well, it tastes like spam.
It
but
does
I mean,
taste like spam.
How
Just
the
the
kinds we
saltiness.
used to eat.
How's the salt level?
Hmm?
How's the salt level?
It's not too much.
Oh, good. Because
No.
sometimes spam is really salty.
Yeah, it is.
So, okay.
No, it's just right.
Okay, cool. I'm going to try it. Hold on.
Okay, this is my plate. Or that's
Yep.
my plate. One of them is.
Mmm.
That's really good. I think it's better than the ones you buy.
It's better than spam.
It is.
It's not as dense.
How,
It's really
But
good.
even flavor-wise, it's better.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
I really
definitely.
do think so.
You guys need to make this.
We ate a lot of spam when I was a kid. Or when
Grandma knows.
kids did.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
oh,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
spam.
Mmm. I really like it.
Um,
Okay, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you give this a try, let us know.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye, guys.